Now under trigonometry, now we are going with the major topic, that is trigonometric functions. Now before proceeding for the functions, what we have done in the junior classes, we have gone through a right angle triangle, and right angle triangle plays a very important role in the trigonometry. You have gone through the ratios also, sine theta, cos theta, tangent theta. Okay, so all these are again we are going to use, but in a more wider way. Okay, so I am just going to give you a small recap about a right angle triangle. Now here I have already drawn a right angle triangle. Now let me give you a small demo for it. Now we are having x, o, y. Starting from here, x, o and y be any given angle, that is theta. Okay, here I have mentioned that this angle is theta. Now take any point P in OY and draw PM perpendicular to OX. Now a right angle triangle OMP is formed. This is about a triangle, that we have formed a triangle. Now let's move with the sides. Now let theta is taken as angle of reference. Theta is taken as angle of reference, main thing. Okay, now just taking theta as the angle of reference, now what are the sides? Okay, now number one we are having MP. Now MP, the side opposite to theta. MP is the side opposite to theta, is called perpendicular. This is called perpendicular. It means which is perpendicular? This is perpendicular. This side, this is perpendicular. Number two, it is OP. OP, the side opposite to right angle is called hypotenuse. Now which is right angle triangle? M is right angle, M is right angle. So this side, this becomes hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse. Okay. Number 3. Now we are left with the third side. OM. The third side left is called the base. Now what you have seen, this is called the base. Now what major thing we have seen, it is that taking theta as a reference angle. Main thing is this one, that theta, taking theta as a reference angle, opposite to theta is always perpendicular. Now suppose we are having another figure. Now this one, this side. Now suppose this is theta, then this will be perpendicular. Okay, and in another triangle, if this is theta, then it means this is perpendicular. So this is the major issue, major thing which we should remember for each and every type of triangle. Where theta is, where is right angle, opposite to theta is what, opposite to right angle is what, and the remaining third side will always be equal to base. So this was a basic which you have already done in class 10th. I have just given you a small recap for this thing.